Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change Google Maps home address. Basically, if you have maybe, moved house and you need to update your saved home address in Google Maps. So this is my home right here on Google Maps. If I tap on it, it shows you my exact address. All you need to do to change this is come here at the bottom and click on You, okay? And here you'll see home at the top left. All I want to do is come here and click on these three dots, and then I can remove home and set it up from fresh, or I can click on edit home. There you go. And then you can adjust your home location wherever it is on the map, right? Let's say your home is around here. So you find your home and then come here and click on save. There we go. Now this is the new pin dropped and this is the address. So if I come here, as you can see, this is my new home address. Really that easy and simple.